Good afternoon. Today is 24th August 2016 at 1 p.m. We are looking at the European market, how it had opened, and afterwards we'll look at tea. So when we look at the French CAC market, what we see here is from previous close 4421, the market opened lower. It opened at 4389 and it tested the low of 4382. And after that, we see the market going in the positive direction. So the negative pressure was from the anticipation of US Fed announcement, and after the market trading in a trading range. See, you could see in the previous days market, the market is in the trading range in the French market. So, uh, so the market is still in a decision mode, and we expect the market to be in this mode until the Friday, and US Fed announcement came. Now we look at the DAX chart. Here we have to see market opened at low on yesterday's close of 592, and it opened at 531. So close was around 20 points, and now we have covered the close. And now we are trading in the trading range. So until the what so this way the market will trade in today's range. There is less probability that market may get into this lower range again. So we may expect market to continue the trading range, and depending upon how the situation makes, it can again go to the lower range or can go in the upper range. So still we can expect the market to move in sideways direction. Now let's look at the Nifty and what we thought what we have suggested earlier and talked about. The Nifty was in a sideways market, and the size of bars that determine that was not tradable market until we get a direction downward or upward. So when we see this bar, so we could have taken a trade here and exited here because the market is very trend. So we need to take our profits as soon as we can take it. So our entry would be this close, and our exit would be this in this range. That's how we could have taken a trade here. And again, we see this supports acting up, and also the positive direction what we get from the European market. So, uh, including both those aspects, the market again is in positive direction. Taking trade in a positive direction would be this trade. Uh, what on what basis we could have taken this trade? Uh, we could have avoided this trade, or we could have taken this trade, depending upon uh, how uh, how does we rate this level. If we rate this support to be very good support, we could have taken this trade as soon as we get this bar, and our entry would be in this bar. But we could have taken profits in this direction. So that's how we could have taken trade. But depending upon how we rate this support to hold up. because if we are not looking, the trade might end up again getting to this zone and afterwards could have taken any direction. So this is how we could have taken these two trades. So let's look at how at actual futures market what we have done. So we could have bought this close here. The order would have been very difficult to place because this on 1 minute bar chart would have been just filled in seconds. So we have to be very thoughtful how we could have taken a trade and taken our profits here. So even if we have missed this trade, we could have taken trade here and again get out. So this small pullback we could have got and sold it as soon as we can get out of here. So after same, where we could have bought again because this rally was giving a positive direction and we could have taken our trade in, in this pullback to get out of here on the open of this close around whatever the minimum points we expect to get from this market. So this was a good move. On futures, on spot, it very was depending upon how we are looking at the bids. And on futures, we could have taken trade here, depending because the direction is the price action seems to getting into positive channel mode and it went to there's the next level. So that's how we could have bought this pullback and taken trade here. Many a times during formation of during when a steep channel is formed, we can trade on the green bar itself, and but at that time we need to place our stop loss to the lowest point that had reached earlier and below that because it can test that trade again. So that's how we could have taken trade here, get out and taken profits here. So let's see how the markets will continue and we look after market close. What was? Thank you.